Now, I'd like to take you through the guided brew group cleaning. For this, I have already prepared a blind filter, as well as the LIGRE brew group cleaner. To start the cleaning process, go to the main menu, tap on the three dots, select Maintenance, then Clean Brew Group. The display will now guide you through the steps. The cleaning process takes about 8 minutes. I start the cleaning by tapping on Yes, please. I now remove the portafilter, insert the blind filter, take a cleaning tablet, put it in the blind filter, and lock the portafilter in place. I confirm with Done. Next, I need to empty the drip tray. Then place it back. I confirm by pressing Done. The brew group is now being cleaned. This process takes about 4 minutes. Now I am instructed to remove the blind filter to start the automatic flushing process. I remove the portafilter with the blind filter. This is an important step. Please always remove the portafilter before starting the rinse. If the rinse starts while the portafilter is still attached, pressure is built up, making it difficult to remove later. I have removed the portafilter, so I start the next step. The brew group is now being rinsed. Please rinse the blind filter under running water and reattach it to the portafilter and lock the portafilter back in. I follow the display instructions and confirm with Done. The brew group is being rinsed once more. This takes about 2 minutes. Please remove the filter with the blind filter fired to restart the automatic flushing. I'll start it again. We are now at the 9th step out of 10, and thus almost at the end. Now, I need to remove the drip tray, empty it, and put it back in place. Since we drained the hot water via the drainage system and allowed it to run into the drip tray, some condensation has formed which has collected on the machine. So I wipe it with a soft microfiber cloth and place the drip tray back in its original position. I confirm the last step, and the cleaning process is complete.